Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new then welcome. For today's video I wanted to do a quick review on a product I've been really enjoying lately, which is the Mary Dew Manizer by TheBalm. In case you've never heard of this product, the Mary Dew Manizer, as you can probably figure by the name, it is a liquid highlighter, which is the liquid version or the liquid formula of the Mary Lou Manizer. If you've been here for a while or if you checked out my past videos, then you've probably noticed that the Mary Lou Manizer, it is my absolute favorite highlighter. And I was very excited when they came out with the Mary Dew Manizer. It was finally until a couple months ago that I had the opportunity to get it. So imagine how excited I was to get the liquid version of my favorite powder highlighter. So first of all, the Mary Dew Manizer, it is a very glowy highlighter. It is as glowy or almost as glowy as its powder formula. It would give you a very effortless, glowy, glassy look. And since I'm a person that loves like very blinding highlighters, you can imagine how happy I was to find out how blinding this one was. Number two, it dries down very quickly, almost too quickly, to the point where you have to work in sections. Otherwise, if you put it on your face and you're blending this side first and then this side, by the time you get to this side, it will be a little hard to blend and you will be able to see the areas where you applied the highlighter. Number three, this product blends best with the fingers. You can blend it with a beauty blender or with a brush, but I find that it blends best with the fingers. Just sometimes with a beauty blender, you can blend it away too much. And the brush doesn't leave such a nice and wet looking finish as the fingers. So if you're someone that really likes to work in their products with their own hands, then this is the product for you. Number four, this one stays on forever. I once wore it for probably like 12 hours on a very hot day. I actually even had a nap and I sleep like on my stomach, so I was like this. Then I woke up and I checked myself in the mirror and I still had highlighter on. Like, it was extremely cool, and I wasn't even wearing foundation or primer or anything. It was on my bare face, so this really stays on forever. Number five, I'd say this is more on the glittery side. Sometimes with the hours of wear, the creaminess will wear away and little specks of glitter will stay on. Even though it is on the glittery side, that doesn't mean by any means that it emphasizes any pores or anything, which I think it's pretty cool because usually those types of products do emphasize texture on the skin and this one does not, which is something I really like and I really enjoy about using it. This brings me to number six. This product works on bare skin, on top of foundation, and even on top of powder. As with every time you're gonna put on some cream on top of powder, I would recommend you to be a bit more careful, but that doesn't mean this doesn't work on top of it. My favorite way to wear this is on a bare skin, but if I'm wearing foundation, I would prefer to put it on before powder, and after I set my face, I will put on a bit of the Mary Lou Manizer on top of it, just because I like an extra glow. Number seven, like I mentioned before, this one can be used to add glow to your foundation or your concealer. I have used it to add glow on my concealer and it works great. I would just recommend you to not use a lot, otherwise it can end up looking a little crazy on that area. But I also like to mix it with my foundation, which will give me an extremely glowy and dewy look, which I really like. Number eight, it has a lot of product. This tube has 0.19 fluid ounces. So for the price and the amount of product this has, I would really say you are getting your money's worth out of this. Number nine, this product doesn't leave a white cast. There are some type of highlighters or some colors of highlighters that leave a white cast or a gray cast on the skin. This one does not. This one or the powder formula, neither of those do that. And finally, number 10, my overall grade for this product will be a 9 out of 10, only because sometimes I don't feel like blending with my fingers, or I don't want to get my fingers dirty, and I have to because I think that's the best way to get the most glow out of it, and also because you have to work quickly and in sections, otherwise you'll be able to see where I applied the product. And this is something I didn't know at the beginning, and I was like having a hard time blending it, and I was like, why doesn't blend? Why? Because it had already dried down and it was pretty impossible to blend, which is a good thing, which that means once it has dried down, it won't budge, which I have also confirmed, but you have to work quickly, otherwise you won't be able to blend it. But overall, this is a product I really love. I do recommend it. I will repurchase it and I really enjoy using it. If you had to choose between the two of these, I would tell you to think how you like to use your highlighter more. If you're a person with more of a drier type of skin, you don't like to use powders because you think it will dry down your skin even more, then definitely go for the Mary Dew. And if you're more on the oily side and you don't like to wear creams or liquids because it will make your skin even oilier, then go for the Mary Lou. It really depends on what kind of finish you like. I know people that do not like liquid products at all, so then go for the Mary Lou. And if you're more of a person that really enjoys creams and liquids, then go for this one. It is great, it shines beautifully and has a great stay power. Stay power? Like, it stays on forever. And so does this one. So it really, again, it really depends on what finish you like the most, like a cream or a powder, but these both work beautifully. So let me know if you have tried this product and what you think of it, or if you would like to try it on the comment section down below. I hope you liked this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you real soon.